So let me show you how I go viral with AI. First, the scripting. So I use ChatGPT to write a script, and besides that, I also ask ChatGPT to write me prompts to generate visuals for every scene in the video. After that, I go to Open Creator and pick text to speech. So I generate my speech using 11 labs. Okay.
Jesus was not born on December 25th, and the Bible actually tells us when he was born.
So I get my voiceover. So the next thing I need to get is the visuals. So that one I use Google Nano Banana Pro inside FlexClip. So I paste the prompts that I got from ChatGPT and generate all the images. So I can also use FlexClip to turn some of the images into videos if I want to. So after that now I have my visuals, I have my voiceover. So the next thing now is to combine them using a video editor. So that one I use Canva. Canva is a very simple, easy to use video editor for that purpose.
Jesus was not born on December 25th, and the Bible actually tells us when he was born. It's common to hear pastors say the Bible doesn't give a birth date for Jesus, so December 25th was simply chosen. But that isn't completely honest. December 25th was imposed on the church in 330 AD by Pope Julius I, aligning Jesus' birth with the pagan Roman celebration of the sun god. There are two biblical...
So in Canva, I just combine the voiceover and the images and put some few animations and sound effects. Then I download my video. So after that, one step remaining is the captions or subtitles. So I use Red Cloud AI for subtitles.
Jesus was not born on December 25th, and the Bible actually tells us when he was born. It's common to hear pastors say the Bible doesn't give a birth date for Jesus.
So my video is ready with captions, so I just export. So after exporting now, the next step is to upload it on a platform like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So let's look at how the video did on TikTok. So this is the video. Right now it has 96.4k views, and that is less
Jesus was not born on December 25th, and the Bible actually tells us when he was born. It's common to hear pastors say the Bible
in less than 48 hours. So it has 96k views and has brought 595 new followers. Yet it has been shared 1,469 times. Okay, so that is how I create faceless videos for social media using AI.